I didn't know that I want to be an entrepreneur, but when we got our idea, it really changed my life, and I realized this is what I want to do.
Our mission is to create future entrepreneurship with hands-on experience, modern pedagogy, and latest research.
One of my lecturers is actually an entrepreneur himself. In the past 6 years, it has helped me to build this into an international company.
We want to expand this system that we are having in Finland to really adopt a similar thing and help our country to grow forward.